Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you've been watching, you know that I like to make videos about FSD and FSD Beta, which I have on this vehicle here, which is a Tesla Model Y. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to use Autopark, and it's one of the many features that comes with FSD which I really like to use. Alright, so to use Autopark feature, all you have to do is, let's say you're pulling up to the parking spots. So there's a couple ways. The first way, which is the most simple, is you slow down and you look right here on the screen for a P. So there, a P. And now it'll give you this prompt to shift to reverse. So you shift to reverse, and now there's a start button right here, so you click start, and now it will do the auto park. So as you can see, it's parking itself. And you can see it leaves a very accurate gap right there, and it's very consistent with the gap it leaves. So yeah, that's great. And it automatically puts itself in park and you're ready to go. So the next method is, so basically, yep, you pull up to the parking spots. And this method is a little bit less consistent of actually working. So you come a little bit ahead of the spot you want to park in, and then you stop, put it in reverse. So there's the P. So look, you put it in reverse and it automatically goes to that P that was showing up. So see, now we click start, and it should just park itself here. Yep, see, same exact parking spot, but different method. So this time it had to stop to shift into drive and get a different angle here. It's more favorable. And yep, look, it'll be the exact same gap as last time. It's that consistent. Yep, see, right there, same. And puts it in park, and we're ready to go. Yep, it's great.